Hello friends, a very good morning to one and all. Today is the fifth day of our workshop, second last day we can say. First I will tell you in brief what are the today's contents and what we are going to study tomorrow, that is on the last day. Today we are going to study few more softwares. Out of that OBS Studio I will cover. Next, cool text and some gamification tools for assessment like Kahoot and quizzes will be covered by Dr. D. Lakshmi Madam. And these Kahoot and quizzes are very interesting gamification tools. By using these tools or softwares, we can take the quizzes and assessment of the students in game mode, so that it can create lot of attraction and curiosity among the student. So I do request all of you to please go through this Kahoot and quizzes video very slowly, and I have not given any sort of assignment on these two softwares because it is not easy to understand it in such a small time. But you go through the video at your pace, and in future after completion of this workshop you can explore it at your end and take the quizzes of your students in the game format, so that students can also actively participate and interestingly they can solve the quizzes and assessment. So in this way today we are going to study this much part. The detail about all these I will discuss in next video. Now as far as our tomorrow's day is concerned, that is the last day of our workshop, that is 5th July 2020 on Saturday. We are going to study one small software we can say, that is mind mapping software. How to design a mind map, or in our layman language we can say how we can draw flow charts in a very technical and professional manner. So that part I will cover regarding mind mapping software. Now friends, we will end our workshop on this important note, that is one learning management system. Learning management system is nothing but a platform on which you float your course, online courses. For example, right now we are floating our this current workshop on Moodle platform. Moodle is one of the learning management system, but it is difficult to understand, difficult to perform in Moodle, but once you get a mastery over it, you can do it. But as far as our workshop content is concerned, in this workshop we are going to study a new learning management system, and that learning management system is Google Classroom. Here I'll explain all the steps, how to create a Google Classroom, how to float your online course on this Google Classroom, how to add contents, assessment, quizzes, everything we will see in detail about this LMS, that is Google Classroom. So till now whatever you have studied during these first to fifth day, all those contents, that means e-content, you can upload in this Google Classroom learning management system, and you can float your own course for your respective students. So in this way we will end our workshop by studying one learning management system, that is Google Classroom. Many of you are aware about its operation and functionalities, but to be a part of a workshop we will see in detail how Google Classroom we can make and how we can float our courses and run the virtual classes on this Google Classroom. So this part we will study tomorrow, and at last I will provide you some feedback forms regarding the workshop. You have to fill these feedback form tomorrow, and one announcement or instruction I have to give, that is in valedictory session. No doubt it is in the form of virtual valedictory session, but if any one of you or if somebody is interested in giving video feedback of our workshop, they are, or if somebody wants to give video feedback regarding this workshop, you prepare your 2 to 3 minutes video about the feedback of this workshop. Simply in your mobile also you can prepare that feedback, plus point, negative points, workshop कैसे था, कैसे लगा, कैसे होना चाहिए था, ये सारे डिटेल्स अगर आपको वीडियो के फॉर्मेट में देने हैं तो आप लोग बना सकते हैं, कंपलसरी नहीं है। जिन लोगों को इच्छा होगी वीडियो के फॉर्मेट में फीडबैक देने की, आप लोग वीडियो बनाइए, उसको यूट्यूब में अपलोड करिए और उस यूट्यूब के लिंक मैं एक फॉर्म प्रोवाइड करूंगी, उसमें आपको देनी है। दिस इज नॉट अ कंपलसरी टास्क। इफ एनीवन वांट्स टू गिव वीडियो फीडबैक willingly, then that participant can make his or her video of just 2 to 3 minutes only, not more than that, because I have to compile those feedbacks and add to this valedictory session. So if anybody wants to make it, you can make your video feedback and give its URL in one form which I will provide to you tomorrow or in today's afternoon sessions. So this is about brief about day 5 and day 6. So now we will start with today's first session, that is OBS Studio.